How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of eye bags, the ultimate tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you get rid of eye bags, you guys? You get eye bags 95% of the time from lack of sleep. That's where the eye bags come from. The other 5% can come from allergies, but that's very rare. Most of the times you're getting eye bags from lack of sleep. So how do you get rid of them? Eye bags are just inflammation. Your eye bags underneath your eyes are just inflamed. So the best way, and a lot of people actually know this, the best way to get rid of eye bags is to just get a cold compress, hold it on the eye for a couple of minutes, and then just keep rotating every couple of minutes. This will help to reduce inflammation. Now, I like to use a cold compress because you can apply a compress directly to the skin. If you're using ice or an ice pack, you need to wrap it with something like a towel or a face cloth, for example, because if you apply ice directly to the skin, it can hurt your skin cells. So never apply ice directly to the skin unless you wrap it in a face cloth or something first. So that is how you get rid of eye bags. It's actually super simple. Like I said, that's how you get rid of them, is with the cold compress or the ice pack. To prevent them from coming back, you guys need to get more sleep. If you think it's allergy related, then you need to go to the doctor and get your allergies fixed. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.